The iPhone 15 series will be officially introduced on September 12th, so it's less than 2 weeks away. As usual, a new Apple logo has been produced specifically for this event and for the iPhone 15 series, hinting some of the new features. First and foremost, the colors on the Apple logo are quite similar to the things we are going to see on the iPhone 15 Pro. The model will be available in dark blue, Titan gray, silver, and space black. The other Easter egg is this fading brush effect on the Apple logo, which is most likely a tease for the titanium body on the iPhone 15 Pro models. Now, this teaser logo doesn't reveal anything about the most significant upgrade that's coming on the iPhone 15 series. That is, of course, the USB-C connector, and Apple is indeed going all out with arguably the quickest USB-C port on any phone out there. Yes, according to the latest shocking news, the iPhone 15 Pro models will only use the USB 4 Gen 2 port, which means it will offer the fastest data transfer speed compared to any Android phone on the market, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We're also rumored to get 35-watt USB-C fast charging speeds, and the charging port is not encrypted, so you should be capable to use any USB-C charger to get fast charging speeds. So, in case you missed it, the notch is gone for good. Apple will offer the full dynamic island on all the iPhone 15 models, with the exception of the Pro and Pro Max, which will get the new slimmer bezel design. Speaking of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, yes, it's finally happening. We are going to finally see an updated Periscope Zoom setup on the most recent flagship iPhone. There are the predicted prices for the iPhone 15 series, so there could be a $100 increase in cost for the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max compared to last year. We just saw live photographs of the genuine USB-C cable that we were able to see in the packaging of the iPhone 15 range. And this is going to be an extremely high-quality braided USB-C cable that will be color coordinated with whatever color you choose for your iPhone. To remind you, these iPhones will have the largest batteries we've seen on any iPhone release, so expect some insane battery benchmarks, especially when combined with the new Apple A17 chip built on the most powerful 3nm TSMC process. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.